What's up, guys? Hope everyone's quarantine's going well. I thought since this was supposed to be a Seth Metro Pipes and Drums YouTube channel, I should represent Seth Metro Pipes and Drums. So today, I'm going to talk about music signatures, time signatures. This is one of the hardest things for some non-musical or people with no musical background. So I'm going to try and do my best to explain it to everyone. If you have questions, please send me a text, send me a message. In the lesson book, in the actual Great Highland Bagpipe Teutoburg 1, again, I have these. It's going to be lesson 8. So I kind of read through this, and it has some good information, but it's also kind of tough to follow. It's pretty easy to get lost through. So I did my own kind of little cheat sheets. I'm going to try and help out just by showing these off one at a time. All right. So time signature. We're going to start at the most basic and work our way up. All right. So this is a 4/4. Time signatures are noted in the first line in the corner, 4/4. Okay. Now up at the top here, I wrote a little cheat sheet. The top number is how many beats are in a measure. Okay. A measure is each slotted line. That is a measure. Okay. An entire line, obviously, is called a line. So 4/4, there are 4 beats in every measure. There should be 4 beats in this little block. There should be 4 beats in this little block, 4 beats in this little block, so on and so forth for the entire tune. The bottom number, if you think of it as a fraction, take off this top number and just put a 1 there. Okay, that means it's a quarter, 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. I know I'm a firefighter, help me out, but that should be basic math. So that means that bottom note is the quarter note gets the beat. The easiest way I can think of this or try and explain it is count it out loud. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you're counting that out loud, those numbers are quarter notes. So these are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a quarter note in a 4/4 time. Okay. Whole notes shaped like this, they get 4 beats. Okay, written out at the bottom for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half notes get half of the value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hope with me so far. Again, the quarter notes get the value and they are on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When you get into 8th notes and farther down, 16th notes and 32nd notes, it pretty much just halves the value, so on and so forth. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. So again, whole note on a 4/4 gets 4 beats. 2 beats. Quarter note gets 1 beat each. 8th note gets half a beat each. Okay. And again, just to review at the top, 4/4, 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. Okay. One last thing on the actual 4/4 time signature. Sometimes you'll see a little C instead of the 4/4 there. That just is a little cheat that you can do. It represents common time. Common time is 4/4 time. Okay? So, 4/4 time. Easiest, most basic. Is the majority of our marches, the Scotland the Brave set, the Irish set, the Dublin set, those are all 4/4 time signatures. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Not going to go into embellishments or dot cuts at this time. We'll get into that later. Okay. Time signatures. 4/4. Next. Other most common time we do. 3/4 signature. All right. So again, top number at the number 3. That's how many beats are in a measure. Okay. So each little box should have 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 4 at the bottom, just like the other time signature, means the quarter notes get the full value. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you see a whole note on a 3/4, that means it gets 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The only reason I wrote this way is because a half note still technically has 2 beats, but in order to make it an equal bar, I had to put in the little quarter note. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then for the 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay? Those are straight times. There's no embellishments, there's no holding and then cuts. It's just very straight basic time right now, okay? That is 3/4. Okay? Moving on. 2/4. 2/4 time. This is your jigs, some reels. We also do a few tunes in the actual 2/4 time signatures, but not that many. The IAFF memorial set with Terabis and Baron Oxavaden, those are 2/4 time signatures, and it's very it's similar to a 4/4, but it's just written a little bit differently. So this is a little more advanced, but you won't see whole notes. You'll still only see half notes because there's only 2 beats in a measure. So you only need a note that represents 2 beats. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. That is a 2/4. The other interesting thing about time, the 2/4 time is, again, like the 4/4, it can have a little cheat time signature. It'll look like a C with a line through it. That just means cut time. And that's 2/4. Okay. So quarter note still gets the full value. Bottom number on the 2/4. 2 beats in a measure. So there should be 2 beats. Quarter notes get the value. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 2/4 time. All right. Everyone with me so far? Because it's about to get weird. All right. The 6/8 time. So far, the 4/4, the 4/4, the 3/4, and the 2/4, all those have been straight time. Apparently, the COVID shelter in place just came out on my phone. So hopefully that didn't write over anything. Stay safe. Stay in your house. I'll try and get out more of these videos to help us all out. Okay. Anyway, back to the straight time. 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. So on. It's very straight. We add embellishments and dot cuts to help the tune move and have musicality to it, but that's the underlying tempo to it. Okay, 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and then 2/4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 6/8. Pipe instructors will describe this one as kind of a waltz. So you can think of the waltz as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't usually count out all the way up to 6 on each time. We'll usually just count up to 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 6/8 time signature means 6 on the top. That is 6 beats in every measure. That's what I was just humming like an idiot. All right. The 8 on the bottom. This changes. The quarter notes on the old ones had the full beat. An 8th note now gets the full beat. Okay? So now 6 beats in every measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Whole notes get 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's weird. Okay, the quarter notes each have 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? All right. Now, those are, for the most part, the basic time signatures and the majority of what we're going to be playing. The reason that I wanted to do this lesson ahead of the actual Scots Wha Hae in the Green Book, which is lesson 4. So we skipped ahead a few chapters. Because the book actually has you trying to play the tune in a 2/4 time signature, but it really doesn't tell you how to read the music. So I hope this lesson helps a little bit. The next video that I'm going to make is going to be going over the actual first part of Scots Wha Hae. Again, it's the 2/4 time, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Da 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 Okay, so I hope that helps. In the next video, I'll also try and go over some of the embellishments, because Scots Wha Hae does talk a little bit about the dot cut. That's how we get that kind of swingy. Okay. I hope that helps, guys. I'm just going to keep these in my binder. When I see you guys at practice, I will pull them out, or I'll write it on a whiteboard and see if that helps. If you have any questions or anything that I can clarify or anything you'd like to see, please let me know. Drop me a line. I saw one person subscribe to this channel. I didn't know that was possible. But again, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. And yeah, take care.